Need to cancel your YouTube TV subscription? I'll show you exactly how to do it on web, iPhone, and Android. Plus one thing most people don't know before they cancel. Let's go. First, let's look at how to cancel using your web browser. Head to tv.youtube.com and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings, then navigate to the Membership tab. From there, click Deactivate Membership. Finally, choose Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm. Important, when you cancel, you don't lose access right away. You keep full access until the end of your current billing period. You're not losing anything you already paid for. Next, here's how to cancel on an iPhone through your Apple ID settings. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, and then tap Subscriptions. Find YouTube TV in your list, tap it, and then select Cancel Subscription. Finally, let's cover the steps for Android users using the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, and select Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions, select YouTube TV, and then tap Cancel Subscription to finish. If you can't find the Cancel option inside the YouTube TV app itself, that's normal. Apple and Google handle their own subscriptions separately, which is exactly what I just showed you. That's it. You're canceled. Check out my comparison video on screen if you're thinking about switching services. Subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.